Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade gold, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and USDJPY on the smaller time frames. But before we go to the smaller time frames, we're just gonna take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. Okay, I'll be starting with gold on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame. I have the price of gold on the weekly time frame giving me a bullish trend. This is a low, this is a high. Okay, this is a high, this lower high, this is my lower high, and this my higher low, beg your pardon, and this my higher high. Okay, so I have a low, high, higher low, higher high. Now I'm having another higher low around here. So it's a bullish trend. I expect price to form higher high, or price might form double top. Okay, but I expect price to get to this high and then possibly drop or continue upwards. But the first point of call is price getting to this high. Okay, that's for the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we have? We can see that price is pushing up on the daily time frame. I expect price to get to the first point of call, which is 1976, before price gets to 1986. Those are the two possible targets that I have in mind for now, and then the final target might likely be at 2031 for now. Okay, that's that for the daily time frame. I can see that price dipped, and then we can see some level of recovery. The recovery has gotten to let's see, using a Fibonacci tool, the price recovery has gotten to the 50% Fibonacci level, dropped to 38.2% Fibonacci level. I expect price to get back to first the 50% Fibonacci level, which is at 1976, before heading towards 1986, and then getting to 61% Fibonacci level, which is at 1998. At 1998, price might likely drop back to 50% before going to 78.4% Fibonacci level, which is at 2026. But for now, it's trending up, expanding. Let me zoom in. I have a low here, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I have a drop to this low, and then it's pushing back up to the 1986 level before we now have higher high, possibly at 61% Fibonacci level, which is at 1998. That's what's happening for now. On the 4-hour time frame, the price of gold, we can see in like a inverted head and shoulder pattern. The neckline has been broken. On the 4-hour time frame, this is the left shoulder. Okay, this is the head. Let's take this as the head. This is the right shoulder. Okay, price has broken the neckline. This is the neckline. This is the neckline. Price has broken the neckline, and price is shooting up. Okay, price of gold is shooting up for now. The neckline has been broken, and price is going up. So price might likely target 1986 for now, but the first point of call should first be 1973. I should get to 1973 and 1976. Then you can see 1978, then 1986. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Okay, also on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this particular order block of the 4-hour time frame is giving price some level of support. Okay, price has found support at this order block. I'm talking about the 1953 order block level, and price is targeting, currently going, price is already at this order block, which is at this level. Price at this order block, this particular order block. Okay, a little deep, then price should break it to get to the upper order block, where price might find a bit of supply before price continues up. So that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look at what has happened on what is happening on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see a double bottom. Okay, price pushed up to this particular very order block to find a bit of supply. Price found some level of supply at this order block. Okay, and price dipped, and for price to now find some level of demand. Price found demand at this very order block, and price is currently shooting up. Okay, price is going up. All right, so on the 30 minutes time frame, the price of gold is bullish. So what you can do is to look for buying opportunities on the 30 minutes time frame. Allow price to retrace a bit before you jump into the fresh bullish trend. On the 15 minutes time frame, it's bullish. You have a low, a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, then a higher high. So overall we have higher low, higher high. So that's a bullish trend. So you can possibly buy gold for now. On the 5 minutes time frame, it's trending up. On the 1 minute time frame, it's also trending up. So you might want to look for buying opportunities for gold. For GBPUSD, price of GBPUSD is also going up, but on the weekly time frame, we have this bullish candlestick, and then we have the last week candlestick that is more like it's been engulfed by the previous bullish candlestick. Also, we might expect this week's candlestick to shoot up and try to close above the previous week candlestick. So, but for now, on the daily time frame, you can see that the trend is bullish. We have the low here, we have a high, a low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now this is the swing low on the daily time frame. Look at this candlestick. Look at the yesterday's candlestick is much more longer. It's more like a bullish engulfing candlestick to the previous day's candlestick. So we might expect this to be our swing low. This point for GBPUSD is more like our swing low point for price to get to this particular swing high point. So I'll prefer to buy GBPUSD. The possible nearest target is 1.29630. If that is broken, price is expected to get to this order block on the daily time frame. We have this order block on the daily time frame. Price might likely get to this point, the 1.300 level, before dipping a bit for price to continue to go up, and the trend might likely continue. That's that for the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? On the 4-hour time frame, we can see price forming a bottom. All right, we have a trend here, a downward trend, and price is forming a bottom, more like this is the impulsive move, and this is the retracement. Price is able to retrace up to 61.8% Fibonacci level. This appears to be a weak uptrend. Had it been the retracement is up to this point, down to this point, 23.6, for us to have a price recovery. We might call it a strong bullish trend. or even if it is 38.2% before price picks up and continue, we might call it a strong bullish trend, but it's getting to 61.8% before recovery. The trend is getting weaker. We might see a double top. All right, so that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame for GBPUSD. You can see like a cup shape. It's like a cup shape, and price is going up. It's going to target this particular order block first. As it goes up, this order block will be the likely target, the near target. I'm talking about the 1.295 level is the possible closest target. Afterwards, we have another order block on the 1-hour time frame. This order block will be our next target, which is 1.300 level, and then the next order block for GBPUSD will be this. This should be our next order block at 1.31100 level. But for now, I expect GBPUSD to start to recover back to the top. For 30 minutes time frame, price is currently bearish, but I expect recovery. Still on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see bottom formation. Price is forming a bottom. Okay, that depends on price appreciating to 1.296 level. If price is able to appreciate to that level and a break of this particular level, price should continue its upward trend. On 5 minutes time frame, it is currently bullish. The BUSD is currently bullish until this trend line is broken downwards, and until we see a break below this particular order block on the 5 minutes time frame. I'm talking about the 1.28800 level. If price is able to break below this level, then we might believe that the bearish trend is about to continue. But if that doesn't happen and price continue to shoot up, then I expect recovery of GBPUSD price to have resumed. All right, that's that for GBPUSD. Let's take a look at EURUSD on the weekly time frame. EURUSD on the weekly time frame shows that the price is trending up. But what we are looking at on the weekly time frame is more like retracement for price to continue to go up. On the daily time frame, price has been retracing. In the last up leg, we have retracement up to 50% Fibonacci level. If price is able to form a swing low at this point, price should be able to appreciate back to first the 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is at 1.11064 level, before price gets to 1.11715 level, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci level, and before price gets to the swing high point, which is at 1.12757 level, for us to possibly have more like a double top at that point. That's for the daily time frame. On the far time frame, shows that price of EURUSD is currently bearish. It's currently bearish. Looking at this trend line bearish. The descending trend line is yet to be broken, so we might be price might have difficulty going up. I'm talking about EURUSD price. Might have difficulty going up. Looking at the other blocks lined up. Okay, we have sellers at that point. So I have sellers at this point. The bears might be lined up at this point. Also have another lineup at this point where this particular order block. Then we also have another order block at this point. So the bulls might have a difficult time trying to push price up. Okay, the bulls might have a difficult time trying to push price up, but the overall trend is still bullish. The overall trend is still bullish. The bullish trend might resume if price is able to form a swing low at this point. If price is able to form a swing low at this point, if this order block is able to hold and demand, price is able to find demand at this very order block, then we might see price appreciating and breaking all these supply zones. That's that for the 4-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, the price of Euro USD is currently bearish, in as much as this descending trend line is still in place. We also have another trend line in place around here. If these two trend lines is able to contain price, and if price is able to drop from here, or if price gets to this point and drops, okay, price able to break the initial, the closest trend line and drops, we might see price still able to recover. I see price still able to recover for us to have like a double bottom for price to go up. But if price breaks below, then the bearish trend may likely continue. On the 30 minutes time frame, price of Euro USD is currently bearish. It's currently bearish in the sense that we have this order block that needs to be broken for price to go up. This order block needs to be broken for price to go up. We also have this particular order block needs to be broken for price to go up. Okay, so we have order block within order block. So that is where the sellers are lined up. A break above this order block, price will also get to this order block and have some tough time. And a break above this order block, price may also need to break this very order block. On the 15 minutes time frame, the price of Euro USD is currently ranging, and we start to see some level of price rise. We have a low here, high, higher low, higher high, a low, higher high. So more like the bulls are trying to come in, but the bears are already waiting at this order block within order block. So that forms a strong resistance zone. I expect price to dip a bit before price breaks this. Possibly if there's a news release, Euro USD buyers might leverage on that and try to push price up. Okay, on the 5 minutes time frame, it's trending up. We have a low, a high, higher low, higher high. Okay, price is trending up on the 5 minutes time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, Euro USD price is expected to is currently ranging on the 1 minute time frame. It's currently ranging. Let's take a look at USD JPY. USD JPY on the weekly time frame. What do we have? Price has been bullish, and then we see price drop a bit. Okay, we can see a drop. Looking at the drop, we have this descending trend line. We also have another trend line here, ascending trend line, and we also have this ascending trend line. Now price is ranging, so we expect price to break out of this triangle. Okay, expect price to break out of this triangle on the weekly time frame, but for now price is ranging. All right, on the daily time frame, USDJPY price is ranging. We have a low, a high, higher low, higher high. Now we have a lower low. Okay, this low is lower than this low, and then we have a lower high. So it's not really clear, but for now price is ranging. So we have a descending trend line around here. We have this descending trend line around here. Okay, for USDJPY, we have this ascending trend line around here. Okay, so price is expected to range for some time. But let's look at the other blocks on the daily time frame. This particular order block, if price is able to go up this particular level, it should be able to contain price for price to drop a bit. Then on the downside, we have this order block that might contain the drop. So we expect the range to continue for some time. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see something like a 1, 2, 3, a triple top or a tree drive, which suggests that price might likely drop a bit to this other block. Okay, that's the first top. This is the second top, and we can see the third top. Okay, currently this third top it has already broken the neckline of the tree drive, but we have this other block at this point. This other block might serve as demand area for price. Price might likely find demand at this level, okay, for price to continue to go up. But for now, price is ranging. A break above this point, if price is able to break above this point, then we'll take this as a bullish flag. Okay, and then we have a break of the bullish flag. Okay, and we might see price appreciate. That's if price is able to break above this descending trend line. Let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see price ranging between this channel. Okay, price is ranging between this channel. A drop below the channel, the lower channel level, might take price first to this other block, this particular other block on the screen. Might serve as demand area for price. I'm talking about the 140.18 level. Price might find demand at that level. On the 30 minutes time frame, the price of USDJPY is trending downwards on the 30 minutes time frame. We have a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, lower high, low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So the overall trend on the 30 minutes time frame is currently bearish. On the 15 minutes time frame is also bearish, as you have high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So on the 15 minutes time frame is bearish. You might want to look for selling opportunities for USDJPY. You might want to consider selling USDJPY for now. And if you are selling USDJPY is negatively correlated to gold. So if you are selling USDJPY, you might want to consider buying gold. So that's that for today's analysis. If you like what you just saw, why don't you smash the like button? If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click the subscribe button. You can share the video to your friends and loved ones. Drop comment below the video. Ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Okay, you can smash the bell button below the video for notification, so that when we release another video tomorrow, you'll be the first to see it on your timeline. All right, we also have our website, www.fxfables.com. You can go to the website to learn more on how to trade. You can also go to another website about fxfables.com to learn on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.